Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we'll learn about page breaks and section breaks in Microsoft Word. A page break moves text to a new page. In our document, the open file currently has one page. On the status bar, you can check the page number. To insert another page, place your cursor where you want the break. Go to the Insert tab, then click Page Break. You can also press Ctrl+Enter on your keyboard. Now the cursor is blinking on page 2, and you can see the page number on the status bar. Now, let's explore section breaks. For practice, let's write some text. I want page 1 to be in portrait layout, while page 2 is in landscape mode. For this, I need to insert section breaks. Section breaks divide your document into parts. They allow different headers, footers, margins, or layouts. To insert one, place your cursor at the beginning of page 2. Then go to the Layout tab, click on the small arrow next to Breaks, and choose a section type. Next page creates a new section on the next page. Continuous starts a new section on the same page. Even page begins the section on the next even page. Odd page begins it on the next odd page. For this example, select Continuous. Now let's change the orientation for page 2. You can notice that both pages now have different orientations. Section breaks are powerful when working with long documents, reports, or books. That's all for this tutorial on page and section breaks. If you learned something new, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to Full Course Online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.